Good morning everyone. I'm Apple B. Gagabite, based 2 Filipino. Ngayon is itutuloy lang namin ang nasimulan namin. Ngayon is the 5th session. So bago kami magsisimula is ipapakilala ko muna ang ating tuti.
I'm Angeline Ann Domingo. I'm 11 years old and grade 6 matatag.
So ngayon, bago tayo magsisimula is magbabasa ka muna bago kita tatanungin kung ano nga ba ang nakuha mong aral dito sa Dasinga.
Dasinga Nila Utama. Engaged king outdoors. The king was restless by nature and wanted to travel to far away place. He loved hunting
Wild animals.
So when he heard that there were
Stags,
in the jungle of Tanjong Bentang, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great plate of sheep to Tanjong Bentang. When the king
arrived
upon the island, he and his
subjects,
had a
hunting expedition
that lasted several
hours,
slaying
many wild
and save
savage
beasts, but no stags.
Disappointed,
The king for the hunt,
for he had
a
sense
of unfulfillment in his
heart.
Suddenly,
A large
stag darted out of the bush in front of
sang
Nila Utama, giving the king a shock. But the king drew his silver dagger and hurled it at his stag, only grazing the animal. The stag began to run, and the king pursued it
in those days.
It was either your feet or nothing. The stag ran through the jungle and darted up a canal. The king followed the stag up the hill, but upon reaching the summit, the stag was nowhere to be seen. There was a large rock, so the king climbed climb it and look that
the
the land and sea spread out around him in the
distance.
distance. He saw a
Stretch
stretch of white sand an island. Sang Nilaw tama was fascinated by the
Sight.
sight of the island.
he turned
He turned to on
one
of his subjects, one
who
who had followed
him
him. What is the name of that island? The subjects looked into the stands and smiled.
that is
That is
Temasek,
Temasek, your
Highness.
Highness,
Then
where are going there? The king ordered his fleet to set sail, and they began on their
journey
journey towards the island.
suddenly
Suddenly,
the
once clear blue sky were covered with black clouds. Heavy rain
poured
poured from them and drove
first
off with turtled to apart the
stop mo pa lang.
Yeah.
Diba?
No.